Hey guys, it's me, LPS Rose here, and guess what I got? A package! Woohoo! I got new LPS! So I think more was supposed to come, but only some of them came. So here. So first I got this cute beagle. Oh, by the way, I don't really know if these are fake or real, so go tell me in the comments. But I got this cute beagle. Super cute, but the head barely moves. And this is like, I'm not sure, guys. I've never had an LPS beagle. It's super cute. I'm thinking of making this my new mascot, actually. So then I got these 3 short hairs, and I got some of the ones that I actually want. So I'm gonna try to open this on camera. I only have one hand. Okay. Okay. Da-da. This is hard to open. I usually use my teeth anyway, so. Whoop-a-doo. I got 3 of the cutest ones ever. So I'm pretty sure these are fake though. So this is insane. I actually got a short hair. And the matter of fact, 3. I am pretty sure this is fake. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm freaking out right now. I'm pretty sure it's fake. Yeah, I don't know. Really, tell me please, guys. It's really cute. I love this one. And if you guys probably know this one from Mermaid Memories by Elvis LPS. And if you don't, then go check her out. And this one is one of my dream LPS, actually. This one's one of my dream LPS, so now I got it, so it's not my dream anymore. It's black, short hair, and it's one with the blue eyes, not the green eyes. Pretty sure this one would be the rarer one, the one with the less hair. I'm not sure, but please tell me if these guys are fake. And I don't really care because they're really good quality, actually. Even though this one's kind of see-through through the light, it kind of looks green. The last one. Sorry, this is so not high quality. I just got these, and I'm so happy right now. I'm pretty sure they're fake because it came in bags, but I don't care. Okay, they're the best things ever. And then I got the swirly hair cat thing. Now, I don't think I'm going to use these for a custom, actually, but I don't care. So let's get this. I'm going to compare the plastic. Pretty much the same plastic, so yeah. So, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is so insane. Oh, crap. Well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed. I already said that. Well, bye. Well, stop. Sorry, my phone's weird. Might have to rip this off. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Please end. You can leave the video now if you're still watching. You know, I know how to end it.